Hi everyone, I'm Elias, the founder of Crafti. Join me on a behind-the-scenes tour as we show you how your green tea and matcha is made. Let's go! The first harvest of green tea typically takes place in mid-April to mid-May. About 30 days before harvest, black tarps are rolled out over the tea plants to limit sunlight exposure. This traditional technique helps the plants to concentrate their nutrients and achieve stronger umami flavor. Today we're in beautiful Uji with Oka-san, who's going to show us around the tea farm. Thank you so much, Oka-san. Arigatou gozaimasu. The finest grade of matcha comes from the young tea leaves. Oka-san shows us that the young tea leaves are actually smaller and lighter in color. They're also much softer to the touch. Tea leaves used to make ceremonial matcha are usually handpicked to maintain their high quality. Right now, we're at the tencha processing factory with Otani-san. This is where raw tea leaves are transformed into tencha before they become matcha. So we'll take a look around. After harvesting, the tea leaves are quickly steamed to prevent oxidation. This helps to lock in their green color and also their nutrients. The steamed tea leaves are then cooled in these mesh tubes to prepare them for the next step, drying. The leaves are spread out on the roller and are dried in a large furnace. After drying, the stems will be removed from the leaves and then sorted. These leaves are now called tencha and will form matcha after they're ground into powder. Ceremonial matcha is ground using stone mills. These have been traditionally used in Japan for over hundreds of years. It takes almost an hour to grind just 40 grams of matcha powder. To ensure that the taste of the matcha stays consistent, the tea masters will sample the tencha from the year's harvest and then create their own blend. The taste of tencha can change each year due to changes in the soil and the environment. So the tea masters have to try their best every year to ensure that the blend is similar to the version that they made in the previous year. This is our tea master, who has won the first place in the annual National Tea Quality Judging Competition held in Japan among 120 other tea masters. The matcha is then regularly tested for radioactivity, heavy metals, and microbes in the laboratories. So that's it. Thanks for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed this quick peek into the tea making process. So next time you enjoy a sip of your tea, remember the journey that it took from tea plant into your cup. Cheers!